Want to learn Python but don't know where to start? By the end of this video, you'll understand the fundamentals and have practice questions to test yourself. Python is a beginner-friendly programming language used everywhere, from IE to web development. It reads like plain English, making it perfect for newcomers. Major companies like Google, Netflix, and NASA use Python daily. Learning Python opens doors to tech careers and lets you build real projects. Think of it as learning to communicate with computers in a way that actually makes sense. Start with variables containers, storing information like names or numbers. Then learn data types: strings, text, integers, whole numbers, and list collections. Integers, whole numbers, and list collections. Understand loops repeating actions automatically. Conditionals making decisions with if statements. Functions, reusable blocks of code. These basics form the foundation. Once you master them, everything else clicks into place naturally. Question 1. Create a variable storing your name, then print it. Question 2. Build a loop counting from 1 to 10. Question 3. Write an if statement checking if a number is even. Question 4. Create a function adding two numbers together. Start simple, test often, and don't worry about mistakes. They're learning tools. Complete these practice questions first, then explore libraries like NumPy and Pandas for data science. Try building small projects, calculator apps, to-do lists, or games. Join coding communities for support. Practice daily, even 15 minutes helps. You're not behind, you're exactly where you need to be. Python mastery comes through consistent, patient practice. Drop a comment with your first Python project idea. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI and coding tutorials. Glina and attacks